Welcome to Project Pro Code Recipes. In this video, we are going to learn on how to convert string categorical variables into numerical types. So this is my code snippet over here. I've copied this code and I've pasted that in my Jupyter notebook. I'll explain to you the code over here and also run it for you. So first, let me clear my kernel. Now, uh, basically categorical variables. There are there are two types of data formats, that is numerical variables and categorical variables. So basically numerical contains integers and floats, whereas categorical contains all of the types such as uh, categorical contains all other types such as objects, string types, classes, etc. Now before feeding it into your model for training, you need to convert all those categoricals into numericals, because numerical format is the only format that your model understands. So basically there are a lot of way of conversion, that is you can go for label encoding, which I have a detailed video on the in the same playlist on the YouTube, on our YouTube channel. You can go and see that. You can also do one hot encoding. I have a video for one hot encoding on our YouTube channel too. Now you can specifically do encoding by yourself, that is you can specifically select what numbers would be appointed to which categorical variables when you do encoding. So in this video I'm going to show you the same. So now that was all about understanding categorical and different ways of conversion. Now let's get started with the code. So first of all, I have given two print statements. In order to ignore unnecessary warnings, I have imported warnings, then I have filtered them using ignore. Now I have loaded my libraries, so import pandas at pd. Now I am creating my data frame. So what does creating my data frame does? Basically I have created a data dictionary. Now I need to convert this data dictionary into data frame. So I'll use my pandas very famous function, that is pd.dataframe. You need to pass the data dictionary and then the column names. So these are my column names. Now printdf will print it for me. So this is my function for creating string to numeric. Df score to numeric x. Now if x is equal to strong, then return 3. That is, if x you find x to be strong, give 3. If you find x to be weak, give 2. If you find x to be if you find x to be weak, give 1, and if you find x to be normal, give 2. Now df, I'll create a new feature, new df score underscore num. Then I'll apply this. So df score dot apply, that is applying a function. I could have also done dot map, it will do the same. Now score to numeric is my function over here. So print df. Now I will run this for you. So you can see this is the conversion that it has done. So basically it works on data sets of smaller sizes, but when you have a huge data set that contains thousands and thousands of different categorical entries, you cannot do this. You need to rely on one hot encoding or label encoding. Okay, so this was all about codes in this video. For more industry relevant projects, you can visit our website. For more code recipes like this, you can go to our YouTube channel, as well as you can visit our website. You can also get your customized code by using the click here function given over here, and the URL for the code of this video is available in the description below.